Today I have come with very good video for you all where my two students Miss Saira and Miss Anam, they are going to talk. They are also here of course with the same purpose, to improve their English, and this video is going to help you all just to listen from the videos, do this, do that. It's not going to help you. Originally, if you are interested to learn how to speak, it's very simple with two main works. To learn the language of any country or to learn any language of the world, anyone can learn. It's so simple to learn. But the question is how? There are main two works to do that if we do, we must learn, there is a guarantee. Work number one. The language you are interested to learn, you should start listening. The language you are interested to learn, you should start listening, number one. Number two, the same what you listen, you should try to speak with the friends, with the brothers, with the sisters, with the relatives. Just to read grammar, just to listen and watch videos saying what to do, what not to do is not going to help you to learn originally, to be the real English speaker like the people speak in their country. It's possible only with the listening. I have decided one video for this conversations, or it might be debates or one by one. I'll bring daily. From today, you are going to get a video on my YouTube channel, which is there with the name Oxford's Talks, where you can get the video to listen and listen very carefully and try to understand. If you do so on daily basis, I confirm you with the guarantee in the coming few days, you will also be comfortable and you will also speak in English. So don't forget to watch my video on daily basis. Plus, if you are watching me first time and have not subscribed, without any reminders, I want you to subscribe so that in the future, whenever I will upload any video, you can easily get the notifications and you can watch it and of course get the benefit of knowing how to speak in English. One more thing I would like to say you before they start. Speaking in English is not just one language only speaking. Speaking in English means you can connect with the person of the world. It is known as the link language. To learn any language of the world, there's a need of learning English first actually. Well, so now I would like to start the class, especially now I would like to start having conversation with my students. My Anam, she is going to play a role of friend, both are friends. She is a Saira and she is Anam. The topic is as such today. Saira is planning to buy one scooty. Saira is planning to buy, understand?
Yes, sir.
So you are planning to buy a scooty, fine. And she is friend. Anam is friend of Saira. And the price of the scooty is 1,50,000, 1.5 lakhs. She has 1,25,000. She needs more 25,000. For this money, she will talk to her friend Anam and request her to give her. I hope you understand. एनम एनम एंड सायरा ये दोनों दोस्त हैं. इन्हें एक स्कूटी खरीदना है. स्कूटी का प्राइस है 1.5 लाख रुपया. इनके पास है 1,25,000. 25,000 इनको कम है. ये अपनी दोस्त एनम के पास जाएगी और बोलेगी कि मुझे 25,000 रुपया दो ताकि मैं स्कूटी खरीद सकूं. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू start this conversation with my Anam and Saira. So Saira ma'am, I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
You need to buy a scooty and you need 25,000 rupees as you have only 1,25,000. It's okay. So now you can start.
Hello, my dear friend.
Speak loudly.
Hello, my dear friend.
हेलो हेलो सायरा,
कैसी हो तुम?
हाउ आर यू?
I'm absolutely fine. What about you?
मैं भी अच्छी हूँ.
आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन.
Come to the point.
Where are you going?
यस, आई एम गोइंग टू मार्केट.
Any special reason?
There I have some work.
मैं तुमसे मिलने आई हूँ, मुझे तुमसे कुछ काम है।
I have come here to meet you because I have some work with you.
हाँ,
Okay, dear, tell.
क्या काम है तुम्हें?
What do you work?
नो, क्या काम है तुम्हें मुझसे?
What work with you?
What
work with what work
do you
do you
have?
have with me?
Repeat.
What work do you have with me?
मुझे तुम बताओ।
You tell me.
Actually, dear, I want to buy a scooty, but its price is 1.5 lakh.
Yes.
But I have only 1 lakh 25,000. I need 25,000 rupees.
क्या तुम मुझे 25,000 रुपए से हेल्प करोगी?
Will you help me help
With-
me with 25,000?
Repeat.
Will you help me with 25,000?
Answer.
Okay, dear, I help you, but
तुम्हें पैसा कब चाहिए?
when do you have?
नो, तुम्हें पैसा कब चाहिए?
You need.
When
When do you need
money.
money?
Repeat.
When do you need money?
अगर तुम मुझे आज दे दो तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि मैं आज खरीदने जा रही हूँ।
If you give me today, then it is good for me because I'm going to buy a scooty today.
Sorry, dear, I have not now money.
मैं अभी नहीं दे सकती हूँ। अगर तुम्हें पैसा चाहिए तो तुम मुझे एक दिन का टाइम दो।
Now I give you not.
Now I
Now-
can't
Now
give you
I can't give you
money.
money.
अगर तुम्हें पैसा चाहिए,
If you want to money,
if you need
if you need
money,
money,
तुम मुझे एक दिन का टाइम दो।
you give me 1 day
Time.
time.
Repeat.
If you want money, you give me 1 day
Time.
time.
अगर मैं तुम्हें एक दिन का टाइम दूं, take the mic close to your mouth and speak loudly.
If I give you time of 1 day,
क्या तुम कंफर्म मुझे पैसा दोगी?
are you confirm?
Will you
Will you
confirm?
confirm give me money?
Yes, Saira,
I must give you.
I must give you.
लेकिन मैं चाह रही हूं आज खरीदूं, तो अगर तुम आज पैसा दोगी तो कितना दे सकती हो?
But I wanted.
No, wanted not. I want.
But I want. I want to buy today. If you give me money today, then it will be
नहीं,
good.
If you give me money today,
Yes, sir.
आप कितना दे सकती हो?
How much money do you give me?
Okay, not like that. If you give me money today,
Yes, sir.
how much money can you give me?
How much money can you give me?
आज अगर मैं आज दूंगी तो तुम्हें 15,000 दे सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे पास 15,000 है।
Today I give you.
अगर मैं तुझे आज दूं, अगर मैं तुम्हें आज दूं,
If I give you today, I have only 15,000.
मैं तुम्हें 15,000 दे सकती हूँ।
I give you only 15,000,
I
dear.
can. मैं तुम्हें 15,000 दे सकती हूँ।
I can give you only 15,000.
ठीक है, तुम मुझे 15,000 दे दो और साथ में मेरे शोरूम भी चलो, मुझे हेल्प कर दो कलर सिलेक्ट करने में।
Okay, give me 15,000, and after giving money, you come with me to the showroom. Also, you help me choose, decide my
Deciding my
color.
मैं कलर के लिए कंफ्यूज हूँ।
I am confused for
confused.
color. I am confused for color.
मैं तेरे साथ नहीं आ सकती, मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ आज। पैसा दे सकती हूँ लेकिन आ नहीं सकती।
Sorry, dear, I am not come with you.
I
I cannot come with you today.
मैं तुम्हें पैसा दे सकती हूँ।
I give you money.
I can give
I
you
can give you money
money only.
only.
तुम कहाँ बिजी हो?
Where are you busy?
तो क्या तुम कहीं जा रही हो?
Are you going somewhere?
Yes, I'm going to with my mom.
Repeat.
Yes, I'm going to with my
Do
mom.
not. I'm going with my
I am
mom.
going with my mom.
मेरी माँ को कुछ काम है बाजार में, वह चाहती है मैं उनके साथ जाऊं.
My mother some work.
My mother
My
has
mother has some work in market.
in the market.
In the market.
वह चाहती है मैं उनके साथ जाऊं.
She wants
She wants
me
to
go with her.
Superb. Repeat. Repeat. That's fine. Once more. वह चाहती है मुझे.
She wants with me.
No, she wants me
She wants me
to go with her.
with her.
ठीक है.
Okay,
No problem.
no problem.
तुम जाओ.
You go.
मैं किसी और दोस्त को ले लूंगी. क्या साक्षी? मैं किसी और दोस्त को ले लूंगी.
I will take to my any other friend.
Oh, okay. What, Shivani? Shivani, come inside. Come in. When I don't give you, come inside. Wait. When I don't give you time to sit together, then you sit. And now I am giving, then you are going. Do
Sir,
you have
after
any
this
work?
recording, you will record.
Of course,
this.
I'll have the recording.
Yes.
Sit down. Recording is going on. चलो ठीक है. मैं साक्षी को अपने साथ ले लूंगी. साक्षी अभी आ गई है.
Okay, I will take to Sakshi. I will take with.
I'll take Sakshi with me.
Yeah, I will take Sakshi with me.
वह आ गई है.
She has come,
लेकिन तू पैसा दे दे अभी.
but you give me money now.
पैसा अगर तुम पैसा लेना चाहती हो तो मेरे साथ मेरे घर चलो. पैसा मेरे पॉकेट में नहीं, घर पे है.
If you want now, I give you money. I have no money in my pocket. You come with me my home.
मैं वहां पे तुम्हें पैसा दूंगी.
I give you.
Well,
I will give you their money.
Repeat.
I will give you their money.
I'll give you money there. I will give you money
there.
And तुम्हारा घर कहाँ है? Yeah, wait. Yes, good.
And where is your house?
Repeat.
And where is your house?
तुम्हें मेरा घर नहीं पता?
You don't know where is my home.
I don't want to be a teacher. I cannot say I'm friend and all. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, my friend. I was just joking.
I know तुम्हारा घर.
I know your house is at the Neem Chowk.
हाँ.
Yes, dear.
लेकिन एक बात बता.
But you tell me
one thing. तेरे पास ऑलरेडी स्कूटी था है, फिर तू नया क्यों खरीद रही है?
You have already scooty ना?
You have
already a scooty.
फिर तू नया क्यों खरीद रही है?
Why you have a?
Why are you buying?
Why are you buying a new scooty?
मेरे पास था, है नहीं.
I had, but I don't have now.
Actually मेरा जो स्कूटी था वो बहुत पुराना था.
Actually, my scooty was old.
इसलिए
That's why
मैंने बेच दी.
I sold.
My scooty was old, so I
Sold.
Old and sold. Great. अब मैं समझी.
Oh yeah, I know.
Now understood.
Now understood.
मैं एक काम करती हूँ.
I do some work.
Repeat.
I do some work.
नहीं, I do one thing.
I do one thing.
तू आज छोड़ दे, मत दे पैसा.
You leave today. Don't give me money.
कल मैं तेरे घर पे आऊंगी.
Tomorrow I will come at your home.
अब तू मुझे 25,000 रुपया देना.
Tomorrow you will give me 25,000.
ठीक है.
Okay dear, no problem.
25,000 मैं कल दे सकती हूँ.
I give you tomorrow.
मैं दे सकती हूँ. I
can give you 25,000 tomorrow.
ठीक है तो.
Okay.
It's okay. तो कल मैं कितने बजे मिल लूँ? Just 2 minutes.
Okay. At what time I meet you tomorrow?
Repeat.
At what time I meet you tomorrow?
Questions. At what time?
At what time do I meet you
Superb.
tomorrow?
Repeat.
At what time do I meet you tomorrow?
You meet me tomorrow evening.
Okay, I don't have any problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure.
It's my pleasure, dear.
That's fine. My dear all audience who are watching me, if you are serious to learn how to speak in English, am I right, Sivani and Sakji Kumari? This is the best video. Watch just a daily one at least, and I promise you, I'll get my different strengths different day. I'll bring a video where you can have the conversations. Watch very clearly. Try to understand. In case if you get any problem, feel free to text me. Taking the number from our descriptions, I promise you I'll reply you with the answer. Just to know, do this, do that, it's not going to help you. Originally, you want to learn. There is a need of with the focus to listen such videos. So I promise you all, I'll come out with new video daily. And before I finish it, end of this video, I remind you once again now, if you have not subscribed me, if you have not subscribed me, do it on urgent basis, and don't forget to press the well button, that you will get the notifications, and you must share with the friends. Thank you, goodbye, and take care. Keep